Hey, greetings everyone. I am Dr. Wyrick, the Director for Regenerative Medicine here at Sensor Medica, also the in-house chiropractor. I wanted to share this particular picture with you. This is a video or a picture that we got from a gait analysis that we did for a patient last week. Now, this patient came to us in regards to stem cell therapy. She wants to do stem cells in her back, and after reviewing her history and looking at her gait analysis, we all felt like that was a good fit for her, so we're excited to get that done for her. So here's why I wanted to share this. This particular individual spends about 12 hours a day on her feet. And one of the things that we do before we do these stem cell injections now is everybody that we see gets a gait analysis, and here is why. This is her gait analysis. Now, we're really big here on biomechanical chains, meaning that old song about your foot bone being connected to your knee bone, all of that. That's all true. It's all very much applicable, especially when it comes to these biomechanical joint issues. In this particular case, this was a back pain case. So why would we do a gait analysis on a back pain? Well, this individual had a knee replacement about a year ago. And when we did the gait analysis, what we found was the picture that you see on your screen. On the left is the pressure that she puts on her left foot during her stride, and on the right is the pressure she puts on her right foot during her stride. And if you look at these, you can see the difference in the coloration, where the one on the left of your screen is much more green and yellow, whereas the one on the right screen has a lot more red. So the one on the red means that she's putting more pressure on that foot, and what that means is that foot is getting a lot of pressure because of an abnormal leg length, because of a leg length discrepancy. So she had her knees done, and now she's got a short leg that puts more pressure on her right knee or on her right leg. What is that going to do to her back in the long run? So we could go ahead and do a stem cell injection. It's going to help her back to feel better, but if we don't correct this leg length discrepancy, then it's not going to have the same long-term effects that you would hope for from doing a stem cell injection. So what we're going to do for her is actually make her a custom orthotic to correct that leg length discrepancy, put her on a level surface, and once that stem cell injection does what we want it to do, then that biomechanical gait abnormality is gone. 12 hours on her feet with legs that are actually equal is going to mean long-term results. So that's why we do these gait analysis. Every injection patient that we see, actually before we see them, we'll do a gait analysis to see what those what biomechanical issues that we may be dealing with, so we can correct them to get them long-term better results. So thanks a lot. We'll see you on the next video.